We got this. We got this. Come on. Why is it doing that? Oh, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay. So the first three, they want to know, hey, determine graphically the number of solutions of the equation. So they wanted to know, what I want to know, instead of the number of solutions of the equations, what I want to know is how many humps are in each one.
Humps?
Yeah, so like how many possible humps could there be?
3.
For the first one?
Yeah. How much? 3. No.
4.
Huh?
Wait. I'm trying to think. 2.
Remember, always one less than the highest exponent. So what does it look like? It's smiling, right?
Yes.
And it has 2 humps. It could look like this. Okay, I want you to know how to do that. Now, graphically, they want you to put this in your graphing calculator or on Desmos, right? And we'll talk about that another day. You're going to plug this into Desmos and you're going to see how many times it crosses the line. So when you graph this, if it crosses the line 1, 2, 3 times, does it cross the line 2 times, right? Does it cross the line 1 time? Because it might only cross 1 time, right? Okay? So it's going to be either 1 or 3. Does that make sense? I don't think you can cross 2 in this case. Well, yes, you could if you touched the line. Right? Boom. 1, 2. Okay? So that would give you 2 solutions. So it's either 1, 2, or 3 solutions. Right? Alright, next one. How many humps in this one? 4. Good.
How can you tell?
How do you tell? You look at your highest exponent. 5. What's 1 less than 5?
4.
That's it. That's how you tell. And then is it smiling or is it frowning? Smiling because this is positive, right? Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Smiling. 4. How many times could you cross? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Or 1, 2. Or 1. So you could cross once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times. There's a anywhere in there. And what they want you to do is plug it into the graphing calculator and tell it how many times this one crosses the x-axis. Okay? So it's possible of 4 humps and a possible of 5 solutions. Possible of 3 solutions. Always the amount of solutions matches the amount of x's, your highest exponent. Okay? So with this guy, what is it?
4.
Yeah, it's the same as this. Okay? And then when you plug that into Desmos, it'll show a graph and you'll go, oh, it crosses the line 3 times. Or it crosses the line twice. Does that make sense? Okay? Desmos. You can have it on your graphing calculator. Excuse me. There it is. Okay. Okay, Desmos. Goodness gracious, come on. I'll get out of you guys' way. 1 minute? That sucks balls. Alright, this last one. You got to find me the solution by factor by grouping. Boom, 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 plus. So that means, what goes into both of these? X squared. How many times? 4x minus 3. What goes into both of these? Is that a 3? No. 7. So 36? That should be factorable. Because 35 is factorable. I'd only give you a factorable one where we could use factors.
So
Okay?
erase that.
Yeah, we'll do 35. But I did want to show Desmos really quick. There's Desmos.
So wait, are we doing this one or not?
Where is Desmos? Well, we could find a derivative and then solve, which would be 12x squared minus 6x minus 3. And then set that equal to 0 and solve. And that will give us our maximums and mins. But if we want our zeros where we cross them, we're going to have to graph it.
Are you done?
I'll look at that one. All right.